we are in a too much information age. Or sobra-sobra na po yung information na naririnig natin sa social media. Sino dito nakaka-relate? Nakaka-relate, right? Ang daming issue ngayon, tama? May bago na namang issue. May na-issue na... Basta lagi may issue si Wali-Wali. Tapos ngayon yung Alvin na. Tama ba? Right? Ang akin guys, don't buy in the illusion. Hindi mo alam, baka umaarte lang yung mga yan. Hindi mo alam kung totoong ganun siya talaga. Pwedeng ganun, pwedeng hindi, pwedeng ginagamit lang siya. But you have to understand, what you see in social media right now, I'm here to tell you, especially if you are in the Philippines, most of it is a propaganda. Nakalimutan nyo na yung flood control project. Nakalimutan na natin yung corruption. Dahil saan? Dahil kay Wali-Wali, di ba? Tapos ngayon, meron na naman bagong distraction. Tapos kayo natutuwa kayo, nagko-comment yung mga tao. But what you don't understand and what you don't realize, you are now distracted and you are not grabbing opportunities. You are not learning. You are not growing. You are not having more skills at some point. Nanonood ka lang, nag-i-scroll kayo, mukhang tanga yun, parang tanga. Is judging them will benefit you? Pag nanguhusga ka ba, ikinayaman mo ba?